Once again, Christmas will be upon us before we know it, and this is a wonderful way to begin preparing your home with enchanting decor for Christmas 2020. Get ready for Omadarlings Sugar Plum Jubilee by Kimberbell. This is a machine embroidery event open to everyone, no matter where you live. And as always, when you purchase from Omadarlings, the stabilizer is included. Designed for new and experienced, with live and or in-person help for those who need it. Follow along at home or reserve a spot on site in one of 2 locations. This is the best way to set your home up for the Christmas season. The kit and CD will swarm you with inspiration to transform your home into a beautiful, one-of-a-kind wonderland. The kit contains supplies for the holiday garland, a leather drum, sugar plum fairy, the mouse prints, the beloved nutcracker, and a delicious dome cake. You'll be stitching with textiles like mylar, applique glitter, embroidery leather, and more. Absolutely anyone can learn and follow along, both virtually or on site. No matter where you're located, no matter what experience you have, this event is for you. With respect to COVID and to make you as comfortable as possible, this event does take place virtually, but if you wish for more personal guided assistance, you can reserve a spot on site. Space is limited, and we aim to provide a safe, sterile environment. So get your kit as soon as possible and call to reserve your on-site spot ASAP. Act now and the shipping fee for your kit will be waived. Orderable for July 8th. Use the entire kit as inspiration to deck your halls and beautify your home for the 2020 Christmas season.